The original wing on this R8 looks great, however we're going to make it look amazing with our own version of the Audi Sport GT wing. Let's get into this one and get installed. So we're at the halfway point with the installation, so I thought I'd just show you a little bit what is unique about this particular kit that we've designed versus maybe some others on the market. So as you can see by one that's already mounted here, this actually bolts through into the actual chassis of the car, which you can see on the open section here. I can't stress how important that is. If it's not bolted into the chassis, then you're going to run the risk of the thing coming off at higher speeds, and ultimately these are very capable cars, capable of some very high speed, so it needs to be mounted properly, which is what we've designed. So you've actually got two hole locations underneath that bolt into the main trim panel here, which you can't see right now, and it's then bolted into the actual chassis of the car. So that again makes a huge difference. If it's not done correctly, then it's not going to last. So I'll just show you a couple other bits whilst on the bench. So this is the main spoiler itself. So those bolt through from underneath. It's effectively bolted through into the main upright rather than being bolted into the carbon. And with this particular one, we've actually done something slightly different with Downstar ink, which is some purple titanium fasteners as well. I mean, it just makes life better, doesn't it? Some titanium, easy for me to say. Although you won't necessarily see them unless you stick your head right underneath, I will know they're there, and that will make all the difference. So the only other thing to mention is the core on this is effectively a hard foam, so it's very rigid and solid, you can hear there, so it's not going to crush. And also we've got some metal inserts, so then when it is bound together and nutted up, or bolted up in fact, it's going to then give that sort of resilience to then crushing, which carbon is very strong, but it's only strong up to a point. So we're going to get this one on the car now, and we'll show you a little bit of an overview at the end once it's installed. See you in a minute. So all wrapped up now with the install, and I think you'll agree it looks absolutely amazing. So this is the second iteration of the swan neck spoiler that we've produced. The first one, although it looked kind of cool, we just weren't happy with it. We didn't think that the style suited the car, didn't look quite right, and also the fitment element of it we thought we could improve on. So it's taken a year, so it's not been an overnight success. It's taken quite a while to get this finesse to the point of where we're happy to sell it to the likes of you guys at home, as well as obviously install this at our workshop here in Poole. So the couple bits and pieces to note with this is, as mentioned before, it bolts into the factory chassis reinforcement areas and fixings, so it is pretty much an OEM level of fitment, is OEM style, so it looks very similar if not identical to the genuine Audi Sport version. And we can actually paint these in different colors if you like. So these are gloss black, that's how it will come as standard, but if you wanted it body colored or something a bit unusual, why not? We can do that. Since we will make it in-house ourselves, we can get that element sorted for you. So really happy with the end result of this. As said, it's taken a while to get this to the point where we're happy with it, but it's been tested, it's been proven. As you can tell by the day now, it's a little bit wet and windy. We're a little bit later into the year, but we're happy to sign it off and put our name to it. So thank you very much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Any inquiries, don't hesitate to get in touch. See you soon.